guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of November. So if this is something that you're interested in, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my monthly subscription to BOXYCHARM. I already have most of my makeup done, but I'm going to be using the rest of the makeup in here to finish the look, and then I'll tell you guys all the information about the box, the pricing, the items, all of that stuff. So this is how the box looks, how it comes in the mail. And then you open it up and it comes first with this little pamphlet. Every month has a theme and this month is Gold Digger. And then along the rest of it, it shows all the items and then the prices that they retail for. This monthly subscription is only $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size items that always retail over $100. So the first product that I pulled out, the one that I'm most excited for and why I don't have any highlighter on, my skin's pretty dewy though, but I don't have any highlighter on. So these are the Cover FX glitter drops. This is the packaging. Pull it out. This is how it looks. So this is the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. These retail for $44. So I'm just gonna open this up. I don't want to be super highlighty and I know that this has glitter in it. I don't really like glitter in my highlight, but try this one out. So I didn't set my face or put any powders right here, but I did put some blush here, but I'm not seeing changes. When it's over powder, it looks the same all the way through. There are glitters in it, but they're very small, very fine glitters, so I actually really like this. This highlighter like crazy insane.
They're all hot shit.
Okay, so I actually really love this. This is super intense. I did go over it with my beauty sponge just to blend it nicely, but that is so pretty. Ugh, this is perfect for the holidays. Yes. The next thing I want to show you guys, which I'm not going to be using in this video, this is a makeup brush cleaner. And this is by the brand Bodyography Pro. Now, the other thing that I could have got that I didn't get was a pair of lashes, and blessed because I really wanted this instead of the lashes, and I'm so happy that I got it. And this retails for $12. Now, the two next things in the box are so freaking incredible. I'm so excited to use both of these. I'm going to use them both right now. But first, look at these Luxie brushes. This is 4 eye brushes. And then we have a palette. And this is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. It comes in this thing, slide it out. And then this is what it looks like. Oh, take the little plastic out. How gorgeous is this palette? Perfect for fall. So the 4 eye brushes retails for $21, which is the amount of the box. Come on. And then the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette retails for $24.99. Super excited to use it right now. So I'm going to use this palette along with the 4 brushes. See if I can get a full eye look with just those 4 brushes. I might have to get a bigger blending brush because it doesn't look like it has one. So let's find out. How pretty are these? Ooh, so there's like a little pencil brush that's like perfect for your inner corners. Oh, there's like 2. This one's slightly angled. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a bigger blending brush. This is like an angled fluffy brush, kind of, but it's kind of skinny, if you guys can see that. And then it has a regular blending brush, which is also pretty skinny. So I definitely don't think I'll be able to create a whole eye look with this, but let's see what I can do. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors in the place to feel the tears. I think that came out really pretty and really blended. These shadows are super pigmented and very blendable. I really like this palette. Obviously, I'm just doing something really quick to test out the shadows. If I were to like cut my crease and do all that, this could potentially be such a cool, pretty look. I'm just taking Poppy on my lower lash line now. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with Jasmine, the shade that I put in the center. Wow, this is nice. And I'm not even wetting the shimmer. Do we love? The only thing is I just want to get a bigger blending brush and blend even better. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna kind of blend. So my thoughts on the brushes is that they're pretty good. I was able to complete an entire eye look using them, but I just feel like the brushes weren't big enough. I did need at least one bigger blending brush. I feel like the blending brush that they put in here could have been a little fluffier, but that's only if you're just starting out in makeup and you kind of need to collect more brushes. So if you're somebody who already has a bunch of blending brushes, this is really good because you kind of get the brushes you don't really want to buy. Like these pencil brushes, I never want to go out and buy these, but I always need them, you know? And then these are really good to blend out smaller portions, like to get really good in your crease. But if you're someone who doesn't have blending brushes, you're gonna need one. You're gonna feel like you're missing one. This palette, the shades are beautiful. They blend out beautifully. The shimmer is beautiful. This is such a good palette. The only thing is I kind of have all of these colors, but that's because I have like literally 30,000 palettes. Like I have so many freaking palettes. So if you are just starting out in makeup, this is a staple. This is the perfect fall palette for you. But if you already have a bunch of palettes, this one, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna come back to it because there's a look I want to do with this. So probably in my next tutorial I'm gonna use this, but I think after that I might just give it to my mom so that she can take care of this because I don't need it. I have so many. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on some mascara and I'll come back with the final product. I'm not gonna put on any false lashes because I just don't want to, and I'm going to Jordan's basketball game after that and I don't want to look super dramatic, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the last item in the box is this eyeliner. This is a Janta Blue Glittering Star eyeliner. So it is a wooden black liner. I don't like these, but I'm gonna try it anyways. And there's glitter in there. My eyes are already hurting thinking about it. I don't like these kind of liners because my eyes get so watery that they don't really come up on my waterline. But this one is actually showing up. The only thing I don't like about it is the little glitters in it. It's kind of making it feel, like it says an intense black, but it kind of looks like a charcoal gray. I don't really like it, but I guess I could play around with it more. The thing I don't like about first impressions is that I'll say I like something and then I'll keep using it and then I'll hate it. Or I'll say I hate something and then I'll keep using it and then I love it. So I don't know if I told you guys how much that liner was. The liner is $5. So that is everything that came in the box today. Let me add up the total for you guys. 1 second. So the total of this box retails for $112. That's without tax, hunty. $112 of products. But we only paid $21. Well, 22 after tax. Let's add the tax. Let's be fair. My thoughts on the box. This right here, I'm keeping this on my makeup table. I'm using this for all my holiday makeup tutorials. But yeah, you guys, these glitter drops made the entire box worth it. I love these glitter drops. I can just never afford these. $44 for these things, even though they're incredible. The way my bank account is set up, honey, I cannot be buying these, but I'm so happy we got this. This palette, gorge, perfect for fall. I did this eye look so quick. I know I can be doing I can do some good things with this. Smoky eyes, cut creases, halo eyes, like this palette is amazing. As for the brushes, I put them in here, so I'm not gonna find them, but y'all saw from before. The brushes, in my opinion, like in my world here, these brushes are A+, just because I have tons of brushes already. So like the brushes they gave me are the brushes I never want to buy because they're not a necessity, but they're the brushes I want. Pencil brushes and small blending brushes, I love those. Just never want to buy them because I know I don't need them, but the fact that they came in the box. The makeup cleaner, I don't know how this is going to work. Hopefully it works good because I definitely need one, and I was so happy that I got these in the box instead of the lashes, so that's a score. As for the liner, could have done without. Could have done without. I wish I didn't put it on, to be honest. But yeah, you guys, tell me your thoughts. What did you think of this month's BOXYCHARM? Do you have BOXYCHARM? Did you get the lashes? How did you feel about the lashes? Let me know. Ooh, I had lipstick on my teeth. None of y'all told me. Let me know what you guys think about this box. If you like this video, like it down below, and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye.